Darlings, today I'm going to show you how to get the fresh, natural, glamorous look that I created for the Victoria's Secret show. First, I'm going to show you how to create the complexion of an angel. I'm going to start by applying my iconic miracle working magic cream. It transforms tired, lackluster skin and it has won countless awards. Next, I'm going to gently tap my Magic Eye Rescue all around the eye area. Next, I'm using my Light Wonder foundation to create a dreamy, fresh, angelic complexion. I'm buffing it into the skin to give an airbrushed, dewy, camera-ready finish. Darlings, to magic away any imperfections, I'm using my new Magic Away concealer. Everyone at the show was obsessed with it. It magics away blemishes, redness, pigmentation, and fine lines. This is the magic wand of makeup. The precision sponge applicator hugs the under eye contour for seamless application. Using my powder and sculpt brush, I'm going to lightly dust the T-zone with my award-winning Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I'm using my 3-in-1 brow lift. Brush up the brows to reveal their shape. Now fill in the gaps with my sword-shaped brow pencil. To finish, I'm using the Victoria's Secret Brow Will Never Eye Gel in Clear. To create the ultimate angel flutter, I'm using my life-changing lash curlers. They are like Victoria's Secret push-up bra for the lashes. To create the biggest, brightest, most sparkling eyes of an angel, I'm using my Exaggerize Eye Palette. I'm going to apply the enlarged shade to the eyelids, focusing on the crease and the outer V of the eyes for a dreamy, seductive shape. It's like a dreamy eye filter, and I knew it was perfect for the show. I'm using my eye pencil to elongate and intensify the eyes. I'm tracing along the upper lash line, going up and out about 3/4 of the way along for an elongating, sultry angel wing. Complete your dreamy angel eyes by applying Victoria's Secret Major Lashes Mascara to the lashes. For the ultimate easy contour, I'm going to take my best-selling, award-winning Film Star Bronze and Glow palette and sculpt in supermodel cheekbones. Next, I'm going to use my Hollywood Beauty Light wand, which gives you an instant dreamy glow. It's like walking around with a diva light on your face. I'm applying it to the tops of the cheekbones, down the nose, into the cupid's bow and chin, and into the inner corners of the eyes for instant illumination and freshness. To create a seductive supermodel lip, I'm going to reshape and resize the lips with my Genius Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Supersize Me. I then applied the Victoria's Secret Showstopper Liquid Lip for a pretty pink pout. To finish the look, I'm going to apply my Cheek to Chic blusher in Ecstasy. And finally, my famous supermodel body that I cannot live without. So there you have it, a gorgeous glowing Victoria's Secret look so you too can cast a spell on the world.